Recommendation for cleaning and disinfection of the suction, OroCup system from DÜRR Dental. Closed dosing system and easy to use for the suction system with all components and the cuspidor. Properties of Orotol Plus, suction unit disinfectant, disinfection, deodorization, cleaning and maintenance, material and environmentally friendly, hygienic and technical safety. Properties of MD555 cleaner, special cleaner for suction units, strong special cleaner, dissolves incrustations and sludge in suction systems and sewer pipes and prevents the formation of deposits and blockages. Frequency of disinfection: once a day after the end of the treatment. For higher usage intensity, twice daily, before lunch break or after end of the treatment. Exposure time minimum 60 minutes or overnight. Special cleaning frequency: at least twice a week. Exposure time 30 to 120 minutes, before start of treatment or lunch break. For higher usage intensity, daily, exposure time 5 to 15 minutes, before start of treatment. Always keep a distance of at least 2 hours between Orotol Plus and MD555 applications. Follow the manufacturer's dosage and application instructions. Preparation for the use of Orotol Plus. Open the lid of the OroCup. Fill up with cold water up to the 2-liter mark. Close the lid of the OroCup. Remove the attachments from the suction hoses. Disinfect the suction hoses. Position the OroCup horizontally for the suction of 2 liters. Open the cap on the lid. Fit the appropriate inserts for the suction hose openings in the lid, with diameters of 6, 11, or 16 millimeters. Open the suction function of the suction hoses via slide or rotary knob. Position the suction hoses on the inserts. Unused connections have no effect on the function. Grooves in the inserts suck in air, which extends the exposure time and prevents damage to the unit. Suck off for approximated 4 minutes, until only air is sucked in. Remove the suction hoses from the inserts. Close the cap and remove the lid. Dosage and application of Orotol Plus. Remove the locking device from the Orotol Plus cover dosing lid. 2 liters of mixture consisting of 2% Orotol Plus and 98% water, means adding 2 capfuls of Orotol Plus. Fill up with cold water up to the 2-liter mark. Close the lid of the OroCup. Shake well. Position the OroCup during suction upright for the first liter. Open the cap on the lid. Position the suction hoses on the inserts. Suck off until only air is sucked in at the 1-liter mark. Pour 1 liter of remaining solution into the cuspidor. The exposure time is at least 1 hour. You can also wait until commissioning the next day. Do not use the suction system or the cuspidor during the exposure time. Rinse with 2 liters of water after the exposure time. Dosage and application of the special cleaner MD555. Rinse with 2 liters of cold water before and after. 2 liters of mixture consisting of 5% Orotol Plus and 95% water, means adding 5 capfuls of Orotol Plus. Fill up with cold water up to the 2-liter mark and shake the mixture. Suck off 1 liter of mixture with MD 555 per unit. Pour 1 liter of remaining solution into the cuspidor. The exposure time for twice a week is at least half an hour to a maximum of 2 hours. For 5 times a week, it's 5 to 15 minutes. Do not use the suction system or the cuspidor during the exposure time. Rinse with 2 liters of water after the exposure time. References: OroCup, Orotol Plus, and MD 555 Cleaner are available from specialist retailers.